We are on day 15 out of our 21-day forgiveness journey. Here's what's so exciting. And you can still join us. Check the link in my bio. Join us for this experience. Grab your tracker. We're using this tracker every day. And it's to see, is it possible to move towards resentful, bitter, angry, to more forgiving and free in 21 days with group support? Well, I am seeing already from people's trackers, they're doing it in less than 2 weeks. Every single day, I'm giving the most transformational stories I've ever heard of around forgiveness, action steps to take to move towards forgiveness, just different examples and activities you can do and what's worked for other people. And it's working. So on this tracker, there are 3 columns. There's, and we're starting with the lesser offenses, like the friend who hurt your feelings, the coworker who said or did something, maybe not your most recent painful betrayal. But anyway, we're starting with these experiences, and on the tracker, you have 3 columns. One is reflect. Like maybe people weren't even willing to reflect on their experience, and now they are. Once you've reflected, maybe you're willing to release the power that pain has over you. And then there's a 3rd column, and that's if you've reflected, you've released, and maybe you want to have a conversation with that person, build a new and different relationship based on new boundaries, new rules. Maybe you're willing to just free yourself from the relationship entirely. Well, what's so exciting is in less than 2 weeks, we had people move 3 columns, meaning they weren't even able to look at the experience. They're like, nope, not even going there. Looking at it, releasing the power that pain had over them, and creating new relationships with that person or releasing themselves from the experience. This is happening in less than 2 weeks. So this is a powerful social experiment that we're doing, but we have 1 more week to go. You can always access the replays and catch up on anything that you missed. Don't miss out. This is so powerful. It's been so helpful to so many people, and I want you to be a part of it too. Check the link in my bio. Join us for this 21-day forgiveness journey. Even though we're 2 weeks in, you have another week left. We are doing this for 21 days. I thought it was going to take 21 days to have people move at least 1 column over. I'm seeing them move 3 columns over in less than 2 weeks. It's powerful. Join us.